Gilbert, where does Helen live?
Helen lives in living apartment
Where is Helen's apartment located?
in Oxford.
Make it complete.
Helen
It is
is
located.
in Oxford residence.
Okay, very good, very nice. How to get to Helen's apartment?
You need to find
You need to find
red bread. And after that, because
bridge. Red bridge.
There's over it. And you will find Helen's apartment.
Okay, where is Mr. Pujo's house located? Where is Mrs. Pujo's house located? It is located in Sungai Liat. Why does Mr. Pujo go back and forth from Sungai Liat to Pangkal Pinang? Go back and forth, bolak-balik.
Because Mr. Pujo
Works at?
works at TGV.
Okay. How long does it take from Mr. Pujo's house to TGV?
It's long.
It takes.
It takes 30 minutes.
Okay. Is Mrs. Pujo's house near from TGV?
No, it's not. It's far.
It's far. Okay. Then, thank you.